Stop for a second and be honest with me. When someone asks you, how was your day, or what did you do today, do you freeze, translate in your head, or just say, fine, thanks?
Most of us do exactly that.
That's why today we're doing something different. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Welcome to Qlip English.
In this real English conversation, we're going to show you exactly how to talk about your day naturally from morning to night, without sounding like a textbook.
This is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak more confidently in real life.
We'll use simple phrases you can start using today. No complicated grammar, just real conversation.
Let's start with the morning. You can say, I usually wake up at 7. First, I make coffee and check my phone. Then I get dressed and have a quick breakfast.
For work or study, I take the bus to work. The journey takes about 30 minutes. I listen to a podcast on the way.
In the evening, you can say, after work, I relax for a bit, cook dinner, and spend time with my family. Before bed, I read a book for 15 minutes.
Notice the simple connectors. First, then, after that, before bed. These make your English sound natural and smooth.
The most important thing is this. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak every day, even if it's messy. That's how you build real confidence.
Here's your challenge. Today, record yourself for 1 minute talking about your daily routine using at least 5 phrases from this video. Don't correct yourself, just speak naturally.
Then come back and tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do every morning? Are you a morning person or an evening person? Write it in English.
If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their speaking.
In the next video, we're going to talk about the 1% native listening secret. This is one of the most powerful lessons we've ever made. You don't want to miss it.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next one. Bye.